So I just wanted to record a couple of videos here. So this is problem number 4. We have a triangle, and let's call it A, B, C. A says angle A is 35 degrees. Well, they call it Y instead of C. I don't really know why, but anyways, they call this Y. And they say angle Y is 15 degrees. And they say side B is 5. In here, we can find how big this is because we know that 180 minus 15 minus 35 will equal this side because all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. 35 plus 15, 45, 50, so this is 130. And now I can use what's called law of sines, which says that 5 divided by sine 130 degrees equals this side y over sine 15 degrees. We can solve this out for y. And then over here you have 5 over sine 130 degrees equals, this side is a, over sine of this angle, 35 degrees. Remember, the law of sines says that A over the sine of angle A equals B over the sine of angle B. These problems can just be solved in the calculator. 5 divided by sine of 130 is a number. Multiply that by sine of 15, that'll be y. 5 over sine of 130 is a number. Multiply it by sine of 35. There we have it. Question 5 is very similar. So I'll just proceed on. Okay, this is the next problem, number 7. We spoke about that before. And let me go ahead and do problem number 2, which says we have y equals 2 cosine 3x minus pi over 4 minus 2. The first thing they want is the amplitude. The amplitude is just this number right here. Then they want the period. In order to get the period, I would work with this a little bit and do the following. I would rewrite this. I would factor out this 3. You want to get this 3 outside. So you have y equals 2 cosine of 3 x minus pi over 12 minus 2. Again, the way I got pi over 12 is I just did pi over 4 divided by 3. That's what I mean by factoring out. This will really help you out because now you've got the x by itself, which is what you wanted. The period, the formula is 2 pi over b. In this case, b is 3. By the way, this is A, B, C, and M. B is 3. So 2 pi over 3 is the period. Phase shift is how much have you shifted left to right. So we shifted right. Remember, you do the opposite for any transformations. This says negative, which means left, but we actually do the opposite, which is right. So we shift right by pi over 12. And then we have the new midline. They call it the center line, just two names for the same thing, is y equals negative 2. Okay, now they want you to draw this, so let's draw our axes. And, you know, the maximum for this will be amplitude plus midline. So the maximum is 0, negative 2 plus 2. The minimum is negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. The midline is negative 2. Since the period is 2 pi over 3, so we going to start about here. Boom, 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 boom. Right? and then we come down, up, down, up, and we get a graph that looks something like the following.